Right now, we're looking at problem number 21. So this is a text box entry. We got to just kind of work it out, hopefully get the right answer. So here you see, what is the area of the rectangle in square meters? So looking for the area. So let's see what is it. Then it draws a rectangle on a grid made of the same type squares that do not overlap. Each square has an area of 1 square centimeter. There are 32 rows. There are 32 rows in the rectangle. Each row has 8 squares. Well, we have the perfect tool for that, don't we? We've got the grid paper. We can actually use our own grid paper if we had to. What I don't like about here is that they have these 32 rows, and the grid paper that are the centimeter grid paper that we give our third graders only goes to, I think, 23 or something like that. Not fair at all. However, we can use the grid that's here, right? And we can draw. So I know I've got 32 rows, and there's 8 in each row. But so I can go a long ways here. I'm gonna go this way. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. That's 10. 3, 4, 5 is 15, 20, right? So from here to here is 20. 3, 4, 5, 25, 30, and then 2 more. 2 more. Now I can always count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and then 1, 2, right? However they want to count it. And then we draw it. We go 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then here we go. We're going to draw a rectangle that is 8 by 32, because that's what it is. And at this point, we just tell the little third graders, you do this one however you want, because you went 32 this way. You're going 8 this way. That's your 32 rows going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this, I know they're columns, but we're just laying it down. And then we got our 8, right? You know, our 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if they need to, 9, 10, 11, 12, and until they get there. It's up to them. But we know that it's roughly now 8 times 32. Area model works, whatever works for you. Here, I'm going to go by 10, so check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that this is 8 by 10, which is 80, plus another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You kind of go like, he likes to take his time on these. Yes, because they're like my favorite ones to do. It's another 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 8 times 10 is 80, and then plus 2 here. 8 times 2 is 16, so it's 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 16. 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 16. However you want to get to it, it's up to you. There's your 6. You can count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You get to 24. Then you add another one, so you get to that 256. It's up to you how you get there. You want to, you know, now that's my answer. If you have the kids that are pretty sharp and they see it, I'll work it out without this stuff. This is 8 times 32. I could have done it this way as well. 8 times 30 plus 2. 8 times 3 is 24. Add the 0. That gives me the 16. 240 plus 16. That's a 6. That's a 5. That's a 2. I get 256. A bunch of different ways. All right, but definitely use the grid paper to help you out. The grid paper is meant for questions like this, not for times tables.